Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Bing Webmaster Tools for crawl diagnostics. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Bing Webmaster Tools website. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, locate the Add a Site option on your dashboard. Enter the URL of the website you want to authenticate for crawl diagnostics. Click on Add to proceed. Next, Bing will prompt you to verify ownership of the site. Choose your preferred verification method. You can select to use the XML file method, the meta tag method, or the DNS record method. If you choose the XML file method, download the provided file. Upload that file to the root directory of your website. After uploading, return to the Bing Webmaster Tools page. Click on the Verify button. If you selected the meta tag method, copy the provided meta tag. Paste it into the head section of your website's HTML code. Once added, go back to Bing and click Verify. If using the DNS record method, add the provided TXT record to your then, save the changes and return to Bing Webmaster Tools. Click Verify to complete that process. Once your ownership is verified, you will have access to crawl diagnostics and other features. Explore the tools available in Bing Webmaster Tools to monitor your website's performance. Check for any crawl issues or errors. Make necessary adjustments based on the insights provided. Utilize the information to improve your website's visibility on Bing search results. Congratulations! You successfully authenticated Bing Webmaster Tools for crawl diagnostics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.